Women today, and it's the month of women. International Women's Day was on March 8th, and we as women like to celebrate it 365 days of the year, of course, but March being special, we celebrate it throughout the month. Here at KIMS today, we have a lovely package, Well Women package, where preventive health plays a major role. We as women don't take care of our health, and therefore only when a problem strikes we actually go, and then we have to do much more investigation and much more medical attention and much more medicines. The Well Women package offers a host of nearly 13 to 14 tests, which is all done on one floor. It's all nearly 10,000, it's spread over 10,000 square feet. Each floor, this floor has 10,000 square feet, where as soon as you walk in as a woman, or anybody can walk in, you are taken to a consultation room where you talk about what you are going through. Based on what you are going through, you go through a wonderful discussion with the counselor. The counselor actually explains to you what kind of package will actually suit you. The Well Women package has from dental care to heart care to ultrasound to pap smear to breast cancer examination to urine test to blood test. It gives you a complete overview of what your health is. By doing this Well Women test, you're going to be able to understand whether you're on the right track of looking after yourself. Ultimately, the entire family's burden lies on your shoulders. If we as women don't take care of our own health, we are not going to be able to take care of the rest of the family. Normally this package is about 6,500. For women, KIMS has made it special and is only for 2,500. It's a wonderful opportunity. We spend as women, we spend so much money on clothes and jewelry and food. It's high time that we as women take control of our health, come and avail this package. And even if you don't want to have the time to go through the medical test right now, you can always pay now and utilize the services later on. I'm a pet of all medical, of the entire medical fraternity, because I've been doing work for the medical fraternity for many years. KIMS, I've been associated with KIMS for nearly 3-4 years, and I've known Dr. Bhaskar Reddy also, where we've shared a lot of stages together, especially medical and health. And I'm really privileged that the medical fraternity recognizes and understands the work that we have put in the fitness industry, because medical checkups are the same as us. It comes under preventive care, and focusing on preventive care is what is more important in taking people's health and lives to the next level, because it's just not life, it's the quality of life that we all need to concentrate on now.